Surprised they actually didn't go for the second now, or maybe they are too tired.
Maybe they're too tired, or probably it's just that they want to go for that one big one.
Like the stream and
As Chamika
subscribe
said,
my
let me
channel,
twirl the
please.
bat once again.
Well, yes, the twirl of the bat and then a max. Is that how it's going to end? One shot away, one hit away, 3 runs required of 16 deliveries. He's twirling the bat.
This has been a fantastic exhibition of some very sensible batting on the part of the Sri Lankan batsmen, who were a little bit under pressure after they lost a couple of quick wickets. But they have comfortably almost taken Sri Lanka home. Just 3 runs.
He's making a little change there, Kalimullah. Bringing fine leg in.
Manaka maga hite.
And he sent the mid-wicket back to the boundary. Definitely does not want to concede a boundary. Doesn't want the game to get over and is over. But he will finish it. It's a max. There was an attempt, but futile. Kalimullah will just watch the batters congratulate each other. And that will be the end of
Sri
it.
Lanka on the
Sri Lanka
match.
hit a 6 to
Congratulations,
finish
Sri
it.
Lanka.
Win the second T20 game on the soil of Oman.
How good a finish was that? Swept away. Swept away for a beautiful 6. A mighty effort in the boundary line, but then it was too much for the fielder to try and make an effort to stop. An excellent victory. Sri Lanka finally comfortably home with 5 wickets to spare. And Chamika, after the little bit of pounding that he got when he was bowling, trying to prove a point, and he did.
Well, yes, he got hit and he hit back. That's a classic sportsman that we've seen. A fantastic exhibition of sport coming in from both these teams. The team in blue, the team in red, Oman and Sri Lanka.
Wonderful win by Sri
winning this
Lanka,
one
and
by
if
5
you
wickets,
guys-
winning the 2
I think
T20 game
you guys
series
enjoy this
by
video, and
2-0.
please like the stream
It
and
is
subscribe my
phenomenal,
channel for
isn't it? I
more
mean, everyone
videos.
coming in numbers. Would like to thank them all. They came in on their weekend, ensuring that they come out to support every single team member. And look at that. Look at those faces. They've probably come here for the first time. Oman hosting audiences, spectator, live cricket action. This is phenomenal.
We have had a full house here, and some of my colleagues were looking for tickets, so they couldn't just manage it at all, and almost close to 3,000. And this has been a fantastic game of cricket, some great sportsman spirit, both teams fighting hard, and in the end shaking hands, and that's exactly what we look for.
Well, yes, as they say, the pieces of chess, they go back in the same box. Well, not literally here, because they'll be going in their different bio bubbles, but it's almost the same. It's all smiles, it's all happiness, all fist pumps, notes exchanged, helping each other get better. This is how the game of cricket is played. There's no malice, there's no hatred right after the game is over.
Absolutely, just a game. And would be good to know, Neil, what exactly are the key learnings that you think Oman would pick up from the last couple of games, because now it's actually almost the business end.
Well, the opening, that requires a little bit of nurturing, probably just a little bit of stability right at the top. And then, one thing that I've realized, which is a massive, massive positive, Oman bats really, really, really deep. Even till Kalimullah, he can come and whack those big ones. So all they need to do is ensure that they keep batting right at the top, create a platform, and then go out ballistic.
Do you also think that Dew could come into play? Because maybe from Oman's point of view, it might not be a bad option for them to look at bowling first.
Well, yes, that could be an option. That could be an option. A quick look at the Sri Lankan batting card. Dinesh Chandimal, 18 of 8. What a fantastic catch there by Ayan. Then came Pathum Nissanka and Sharat Salanka. Both of these guys tried to create something. Pathum scored 26 of 29. Sharat's 5 of 5. Avishka Fernando coming in with 33 of 18. Bhanuka Rajapaksa 35 of 21. Tasun Sanaka couldn't really score much. Went on a duck. But then Chamika Karuratne ensured that he finishes off in style. 35 of 26. And that's exactly what it needed. 17.5 overs to finish the game.
The bowling card, Kalimullah, 3.3 overs, 31 for 1. Bilal Khan, 3 overs, 25 runs. Fayaz Butt 3 overs for 30, picked up a wicket. Zishan bowled his full quota of 4 overs, gave away 38 and picked up a wicket. Ayan Khan 1 over 13 runs, and Nadeem 3 overs 22 runs for 2 wickets.
So that's what it was. Sri Lanka winning handsomely, very, very comfortably. Went on neck to neck at one point in time, but then it was this final shot that came in from Chamika to seal the deal. Look at that intent. Went many a miles, and there was a little effort there in the outfield, but no hand could stop that. That was a maximum to finish the game in the max.
Brilliant batting. And meanwhile, a quick summary. Oman scoring 159 for 8 in the allotted 20 overs. Akib Ilyas was the top scorer with 60. And Sri Lanka in reply, comfortably home, 163 for 5 in 17.3 overs. Rajapakshe, Karunaratne and Rajapaksha, both of them contributing 35 each. And Sri Lanka winning by 5 wickets. While we were giving a summary, what we also saw was some great gesture by the Sri Lankan team, going and thanking and waving their hands to the massive crowd and the supporters who came here, turned in good numbers to support the team, and also wishing them good luck for the World Cup.
Well, absolutely. So big thanks going out to everyone who came here, spend their time with us at this beautiful venue at the Al Emirat Cricket Stadium. Beautiful grounds, beautiful facilities, and a big, massive thanks to all the spectators who turned up in numbers supporting their teams. A big thanks going out to the hosting board, the Oman